This is the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. It sports a 4GB of RAM that can be expanded and the MediaTek Helio G85 gaming processor and the first ever 15 megapixel camera in the Spark series. So it's no longer an entry-level device. This phone is a very good budget device, especially for the 32 megapixel selfie camera. It should stand up to some competitions in the budget segment. Okay, I recently unboxed and reviewed the Tecno Spark 9T and I'd like you to see that video after watching this one. This phone is available at 99,000 in Naira or 163 US dollars. And for that price, you're getting a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a hard plastic case for the phone, the earphone and the USB Type-C cable, the 18 watts charging brick and the SIM ejector tool. This is Tecno's branded camera phone and I believe it's a step up in the entry-level category to something more competitive in the market. Well done Tecno, well done. For the design, this phone wears the same design of the Camon 19. It's quite different from other smartphone brands. A very nice finish that will not cause any envy from other brands. The Spark 9 Pro comes in two separate finishes. The first horizontal part is almost a glossy design, unlike the Spark 9T that is completely a mirror finish. And then the rest has a matte finish. And then you have the huge ring camera bomb and the Tecno Spark branding. The design is modern and flat with plastic frames. And then you have the water drop notch for the selfie on the front. For the external features, starting from the bottom, you have the USB Type-C port, which I think have come to stay in the Spark series finally. And then a noise cancelling microphone, a 3.5 audio jack and a speaker grill. And then on the left is a tray for 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card. On the right side sports the volume up and down buttons and the power button that is also the fingerprint unlock scanner, and it fits your thumb with ease. And does it unlock fast? Yes, it does. The responsiveness is okay. You can also set up the face unlock too. Okay, before I get to the display side, apart from this phone's design that is really beautiful, another feature I love about this smartphone is the sound quality. It's a single firing speaker that performs average. Listening to the quality, music sounds okay in all levels. Although nothing to really brag much about it, but it does perform well. Maybe you listen and share your opinion too. On the display side of things, it is a 6.6 inches display with an optimized visual experience. Scrolling through apps is smooth and the touch feedback is sensitive. The response is okay and also very impressive for mobile entertainment. You have a 403 pixels per inch density and a 90.2% screen to body ratio. You have a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. While the color is very detailed, the panel is not the brightest here. It is an IPS panel with a wide viewing angles and reasonable bezels. And it is also impressive gaming with the display. You have the Mali G52 MC2 for graphics, and the processing power is a gaming chipset with a speed that is clocked at 2 GHz. Very interesting. So the Spark 9 Pro is not just the king of the entry-level series of Tecno. It is also a very good gaming smartphone that performs above average. Playing the Asphalt 9 racing game can be very demanding, especially when played at high graphics settings. I played it on the 6.6 inches IPS display and it did not lag behind. The gameplay is really impressive to some extent. The device heats up, but not for the worse. Only that the gameplay drops a bit and lags at some point. You have 4 gigs of RAM here that you can expand by memory fusion, and a 128 gigs of internal storage, and the Ella voice assistant. Okay, I'll have to throw this one to you guys. Do you think the Ella voice assistant is about to replace the Google voice assistant? That's a tough one. Please let me know what you think in the comment. You have a 5000 mAh battery on the Spark 9 Pro with a charge time of almost 2 hours if charged from 0 to 100%. On the camera department, this phone is about camera, particularly the selfie. I think it's the best in all of the Spark series of Tecno. It is a 32 megapixel with good details. Tecno nailed the skin tone to an average and there's a huge difference when you have the high dynamic range present. The color is also very okay with fine details, especially daylight pictures. Okay guys, so what you're seeing is a video recording from the 32 megapixel front facing camera of the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. Don't mind me sweating, it's actually a sunny day and I'm out there testing the camera. So guys, what do you think of the picture quality? For me, they try to nail the skin tone almost 100%. It is good. High dynamic range is present, although it's a hit and miss situation. but it is okay. So guys, what do you think of the sound coming out from this device? Please let me know in the comment. Okay guys, this is a video from the 50 megapixel rear camera of the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. There's no stabilization, but the autofocus is really incredible. I'm currently shooting at 2K 30 frames per second. So guys, what do you think of the picture quality and also the sound coming out from this device? Do let me know in the comments below. Daylight shots are generally fine with the 50 megapixel camera lens. Portrait shots are okay with high dynamic range present, and the color is indeed okay. This is indeed a selfie phone for those who are on a tight budget and still want to impress. For less than 100,000 naira, this phone can cover all your needs. The processor is power efficient and you have a good battery for standby power. And the design is quite different from other smartphones. I feel this is Tecno's newest innovation going forward for its smartphone design. The price to performance is okay, and less than 100,000 in naira, the features are decent enough. So guys, what do you think? Do you think this smartphone is overpriced? Please let me know what you think in the comment. And also, if you're new and watching this video for the first time, please touch the red subscribe button and turn the bell icon so you'll be notified on my next video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace.